Okay, welcome to my class, everybody. Students, hope you all are well. Now I'm going to start my class today. I would like to request you, everybody, to take a text with you so that you can understand your lesson very clearly. Are you ready with the text with you?
Yes, sir. Ready.
Yes, sir.
Ready.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Ready.
I am ready.
Okay, welcome. Welcome to my class. Students, here you see, this is my identity. Your Zamal sir is speaking with you. And here you see the picture of your English book, I mean EFT. So we are going to read a lesson from the EFT today. Students, look at the picture and gaze, what are they? Everybody look at the picture and gaze, what are they? Do you like this food?
They are foods.
Yes, very good. Do you like these foods?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I like this food.
Very good. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir. I like
Today
this
we
food.
see picture of vegetable khichdi. Here you see vegetable khichdi. Then ghola khichdi. And
Yes, sir.
finally in the
Yes,
middle you
sir.
see the picture of murag
Marak
pulao.
pulao.
Okay,
Sir, Morak Pulao.
right. So what is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
Sir, 1, 2, 3.
Good. But
Sir, my favorite.
Sir, my
Pulao.
favorite food is Morak pulao.
Oh,
My favorite food is Morak Pulao.
Sir, my favorite food is marak pulao.
Murug pulao.
Sir, my favorite food is Morak pulao.
so
My favorite
today,
food is vegetable khichdi.
today we are going to read a lesson about this food item.
Okay, sir.
The title of the lesson today, it smells good. It smells good. Lesson 6. Students, everybody take your text with you. Here you see there is a textbook in my hand. Can you see?
17?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 70
Yes,
page.
sir.
And
Yes, sir.
open your book. Open your book, page at 17. Open your book, page at 17.
Sir, I did it.
Have you done?
Yes, sir. I have done.
Yes, sir. I have done.
Good, very good. Okay, you see there is learning outcomes. What are you going to learn from this lesson today? Students, I would like to request you to listen to me carefully. Now, make your sound mute, everybody. Make your sound mute and listen to me carefully.
Yes,
sir.
Okay, thank you very much. You see, here is the title of this lesson today. It smells good. Part A, I mean section A. It's Saturday. আজকে হলো শনিবার. Amal's school is open. Amal's school খোলা. But Friday and Saturday are father's weekly holidays. কিন্তু শুক্রবার এবং শনিবার বাবার ছুটির দিন. Rakibul, make your sound mute. Rakibul, make your sound mute. Father sometimes cook special dishes for everybody on Saturday. বাবা বিশেষ করে শনিবারের দিনে পরিবারের সবার জন্য কিছু স্পেশাল খাবার রান্না করতে পছন্দ করেন. It's 2 o'clock time. এখন প্রায় দুপুর 2টা বাজে. For Amal to come back from school. অমলের স্কুল থেকে আসার সময়. Mother is getting the table. মা টেবিলটা সেট করছেন. Amal's 2 younger sisters are playing in the living room. অমলের 2টা ছোট বোন তারা লিভিং রুমে খেলছে. The doorbell rings. ডোরবেলটা বেজে উঠল. Amal comes in. অমল ভিতরে আসলো. অমল বলছে, "Hi mom, I'm back." মা, আমি ফিরে এসেছি. Where's dad? বাবা কোথায়? মম বলছে, "In the kitchen." তোমার বাবা কিচেনে. Today is Saturday, remember? আজকে শনিবার মনে আছে অমর বলছে রাইট দ্যাটস কুকিং ডে আজকে তো বাবার রান্নার দিন হাই ড্যাড হোয়াট আর ইউ কুকিং টুডে বাবা আপনি আজকে কি রান্না করছেন ইট স্মেলস গুড অনেক সুন্দর গন্ধ আসছে ড্যাড বলছে ইটস মোরগ পোলাও হিয়ার হে প্রিয় এটা হলো মোরগ পোলাও ইওর ফেভারিট অমল বলছে ক্যান আই ট্রাই সাম আমি কি একটু ট্রাই করতে পারি বলছে নো ইউ কান্ট না তুমি এখন পারো না ইউ নো দ্য রুল ডোন্ট ইউ তুমি তো নিয়ম জানো জানো না গো এন্ড ওয়াশ ইউর হ্যান্ডস ফার্স্ট প্রথমে যাও এবং হাত ভালো করে ধোও অমল বলছে বাবা প্লিজ আই এম কামিং সুন ঠিক আছে আমি এক্ষুনি আসছি ড্যাড বলছে ওকে হিয়ার ইজ ইউর ডিশ তোমার খাবার এখানে আছে অমল বলছে মানে খেয়ে ইট টেস্ট ডিলিশিয়াস ও আসসালামু আলাইকুম অনেক সুন্দর ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ স্টুডেন্টস ইউ have heard my reading attentively so I hope you will be able to do the other tasks related with the text students you see there are some questions here if I ask you who is cooking and what who is cooking can you tell me who is cooking
Alam's dad sir
right you are Amal's dad is cooking very good then what my question is what is he cooking
Morog pulao sir
Morog pulao.
Yes, sir, more pulao.
Okay, number 2 question. Question number 2. What is Amal's favorite dish? What?
Amal's favorite dish is Morog pulao.
Right, you are right.
Amal's favorite dish
Morog pulao
Right. Number 3. What is the meaning of smell?
Morog pulao
What is the meaning of smell? Can you tell me the meaning of smell?
the meaning of meal
That means sweet smell, sweet odor. Right, you are. Number 4. What should we do before we eat? What should
sir
we do before we eat?
Wash our hands.
Right, you are. We should wash our hands.
your hand
Right. Then number 5. What is Amal's mother doing? What is Amal's mother doing? Amal's mother is setting the
Amal's mother doing setting table
table. Correct. Amal's mother is setting table. Correct, you are.
yes
Okay,
sir
thank you, students, for answering. Then go to another slide. Students, you see, when I was reading the passage or the text, we were introduced with some new words. Now we are going to clarify our idea about the words and their meaning. You see, there is a word, doorbell.
Doorbell.
Can you see a word here? Can you see a word on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, now you see the picture of a doorbell. Can you see the picture of a
Yes,
doorbell?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is a sentence. The doorbell
Yes,
is
sir, I see.
ringing.
Yes, sir.
The doorbell is ringing. Right,
the doorbell is ringing
right. And the meaning of the word is, you see, the meaning of the word is, okay, Tanvir Mehtab, raise hand. Tanvir Mehtab, hand raised.
Sorry, sir.
Bell. So doorbell means calling bell. Doorbell means calling bell. Okay, now let's to be introduced with another word that is
Delicious.
সুস্বাদু
Delicious.
right. You are.
Delicious.
Amal's father cooked delicious.
Morog pulao.
Amal's father
Morog
cooked
pulao
delicious food.
delicious
Yes,
food
sir.
Right. Amal's
Morog
বাবা খুব
pulao.
সুস্বাদু খাবার রেঁধেছিলেন,
রান্না করে
রান্না করেছিলেন। Right. You
Yes,
are.
sir.
Okay, now try to clarify the meaning of the word. You see,
Yes, sir.
tasty food, delicious
tasty food
tasty food, tasty food.
Yes, sir.
correct.
Tasty food.
Okay, then you see another word here.
wash ধোয়া
Wash.
Wash.
Yes,
Wash.
sir.
So
Wash.
you see the sentence with the word
Wash your hands
hands
before
before eat.
খাবারের আগে হাত ধোয়া উচিত
Right. Right.
তোর হাত
Yes,
And
Wash your
the
hand.
meaning of the word is clean.
ক্লিন পরিষ্কার
Clean, sir. Purishkar.
Wash your hand
sir.
before
Okay.
ফেভারিট পিউ
working.
ফেভারিট পিউ
You see,
স্যার কাজী নজরুল ইসলাম ইজ মাই ফেভারিট
Sir, Kazi Nazrul Islam
Nazrul
is
Islam
my
আমার
favorite
প্রিয়
poet. Kazi Nazrul Islam আমার প্রিয় কবি।
আমাদের
Great Kobe.
fine.
ইসলাম আমাদের প্রিয় কবি।
Right. Don't make sound. Don't make sound.
Yes, sir.
Try to be silent, please.
Yes, sir.
You have to answer the questions, of course, but don't make noise, please. Okay, now you see there is a word here, favorite, and the meaning of the word is choice.
স্যার পছন্দ
চয়েস পছন্দ করা।
চয়েস পছন্দ করা।
স্যার লিভিং রুম
তার লিভিং রুম।
Living room. Can you see? Can you see a picture on the
Yes,
screen?
sir.
Yes.
স্যার ড্রয়িং রুম।
They are talking.
they are talking in the living room
Right.
That they are
তারা
talking
লিভিং
in
রুমে
the
কথা
living room.
বলছে।
তারা একটা রুমে কথা বলছে।
তারা লিভিং
Then,
রুমে কথা
students,
বলছে
now
বাড়ির কাজ
silent.
Follow the
Silence. Everybody make your
Yes,
sound
sir.
mute, please. And you see, there are two students are talking in the screen. You see, on the screen you see, and here,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
here the boy asks him, "Dear Shah, what is your
Yes,
favorite?
sir. What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food?" And you see, Shad is answering here. Thanks. My favorite food is.
My favorite food is মোরগ পোলাও।
Then again,
Favorite food is
মানে আমার পছন্দের খাবারটি হলো
Where do you usually have it?
it?
where do you usually have it? Correct. Then Shad is answering that
I
I
usually have it at home.
correct. You are. Then who prepares it?
Who prepares it?
Right.
কে এটা তৈরি করে?
Answering.
Yes,
Shad is
sir.
my
answering.
sister
My sister
prepared it.
prepares it.
Correct.
My
You are
sister
absolutely correct. Then what is the question?
how
How
It
does it taste?
It's delicious.
Right.
delicious sir
Yes. Awesome.
It
It
tastes
tastes awesome.
awesome.
এটা খুবই সুস্বাদু খেতে।
There's a mistake here. You have to add s with the word tastes. Tastes. Okay. Then the boy is
Thank you.
ধন্যবাদ।
and
ধন্যবাদ
You are welcome.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
now
now make
if I ask you, please listen to me carefully. Listen to me attentively. I ask you the questions. Will you be able to answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Very good. Very good. Okay. Students, now we have come to know.
present indefinite tense
Right. The passage is written in present indefinite tense.
when we is
For us to know tense. Please don't make sound. Don't make sound. Friends, don't talk, please. We have to know tense because tense, that you see, tense is the soul of English grammar. If you be skilled in this grammatical item, then it will be very much easy for you to understand, to write, to read any topics. Okay, so we are going to know about this item, present indefinite tense. Students, you see,
The sun rising in the
sun rises in the east.
east.
The sun rises in the east. Surya purbo dikhe othe.
sun
Right. And there is another picture on the screen. You see the cow
The cow
gives us milk.
gives us milk.
গরু আমাদের মিল্ক
Right.
গরু আমাদের দুধ
দুধ
দেয়
স্যার গরু আমাদের দুধ দেয়।
Right. You are.
I read in class 6.
in class 6.
in class 6
All
I
these,
read
all
in
these-
class
আমি ক্লাস 6 এ পড়ি।
all these sentences are written in present indefinite tense. You see. And you see there is another.
They go to school every day.
Go to school every day.
Right.
They go to school every day আমি প্রতিদিন
প্রতিদিন স্কুলে যাই।
Right.
আমি
You are.
প্রতিদিন স্কুলে যাই
I mean, don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. Just you see and try to understand the class. Students, if I ask you what is the structure present indefinite
main verb.
you see,
The subject plus present form of main verb plus objective
or
by extension.
right, right. You are.
It is structure.
And
Yes, sir. This is present independent tense.
Sir, subject plus
The
do
negative
not.
is subject plus do not
Present of main verb
plus present form
plus objective by
main verb plus objective by extension.
extension.
right, quite right. But you are making sound much. You are making sound much. This is not expected from you. Okay, try to be silent, please. You see, the affirmative structure of present indefinite tense is subject plus present form of main verb plus object or extension, and the negative structure of the sentence is subject plus do not or does not plus present form of main verb plus object or extension. Right. Okay. Then interrogative, affirmative interrogative. Affirmative
Interrogative.
does plus subject plus present form of
Plus subject plus present form of main verb plus objective by extension. Option
right. But here is a note for you. You see here is a note for you.
If subject is third person singular number,
third
then
person singular number
Yes.
then S by ES
will be add with main verb.
Will be added. Will be added. Here is a mistake. You see, will be added. Will be added. Here ed will be added.
Yes, sir. ED.
Okay, students. Now, what is called person? You see, what is called person?
Yes, sir.
By whom?
By whom work is done
Is called subject or person.
Right.
or person
Right. Okay.
There are three kinds of person.
Right. You see, there are three
Yes,
kinds
sir.
of
There are three kind of person.
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 Person number 1 is I, me, my.
We are.
Number is we, our, us. Second
Yours.
singular number you.
He, she, it.
Right. You are making noise. Just you are not talking. You are making noise. Just try to listen and understand. See, no need to write. Just understand. You will get the video in your
Sorta
site.
বুঝাচ্ছে
You see there are three kinds of persons, and there first, second, and third. You see the singular form of them and the plural form of them also. Okay, dear students, now let's go to the another slide. Okay, you see there are three pictures on the screen, and first on is done for you. I read in this school. In this, here will be also a mistake. Here is a mistake also. You see I read in, not is. I read in this school. Okay, then you will write two sentences on these two pictures. You will try yourself. Okay, you will try yourself. Suppose you see there is a glass of milk. So you can say, I drink a glass of milk every day. I drink a glass of milk every day. Okay, now,
yes sir
students, open your book, page at 18. Open your book, page at 18.
Yes, sir, I open it.
Have you opened your book, page at 18?
yes sir
Yes, sir, I open my book.
Yes.
Yes, sir. I open your book.
section A3, there is a function of fill in the blanks. There is a function of fill in the blanks. So you see
Sir,
there
I
are some
see.
words in the boxes on the upper
Yes,
part.
sir, I see.
And there are some sentences here.
Yes, sir.
You have to
I
fill in
know.
the blank.
I know.
Appropriate word from the box.
I know him very well.
I know him very
I
well.
know.
Sir, I know.
Right,
I
I know
know.
him very well. Correct. Thank you for your answering. Okay, dear students, what would be the answer of number B? New dress dash great.
Sir, the new dress
Sir,
The
look.
new dress looks great.
Sir, look.
Look or look.
Like
Correct.
Sir, looks of looks.
Looks
Yes,
great.
sir.
Right,
Look.
right.
Look.
Okay. Rina dash to collect stamps.
Sir, likes.
Like. Correct.
Ria likes to collect stamps.
You see.
You like
Okay.
smell.
A flower dash is
Sir, smell.
Sir, I can want.
a smell or
I
a
can
smell.
see.
Sir, I can see. Sir, I can see.
I can see.
Okay.
I can see.
I can see a butterfly. Okay, the flower dash
It smells.
Yes.
Smell.
The flower smells
Sir,
sweet.
the flower smells sweet.
Smell. Sir.
Murad has to buy it.
Bye.
Sir, what?
Sir, Murad want to buy
To buy
a
a dictionary.
One.
Dictionary.
Well done. You see, the answer is here. I know him very well. Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Number B, the new dress looks great. Number C,
Look.
Rina likes to collect stamps.
Yes, sir.
I
Yes,
can
sir.
I can see.
I like
Sabe.
to collect.
The flower is
Sir,
smell.
the flower
and
smells sweet.
Sir, Murad wants.
Murad want to buy a dictionary.
Wants. Yes, doctor.
very good. Okay.
Yes, sir, wants.
Now you see, there is a homework for you for my next class. Go to
Okay,
section
sir.
A4. You see, there is
Yes,
a
sir.
there is a test with you.
Okay, sir.
Go to section A4, read the passage and choose which verb is better. Underline the word you choose. It's your homework. Okay? Have you opened your book?
Okay,
page
sir.
18,
Okay, sir.
and come to section A4. Have you come here? Have you come here?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So thank you very much for joining.
Yes, sir, you welcome.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is SW is the next class.
Yes, you see
You are forgetting.
homework for next day.
Forget your class, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
You will
Yes, sir.
do the work at home, and you must complete your work in your exercise book so that I can
Yes, sir.
assess it
Yes,
very
sir.
clearly. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Sir, assalamualaikum.
Sir,
The end.